fumbled a bad bitch, I was looking out for her future. Free bands in my bank account, now I'm starting to feel like Future. I already know what's gonna happen the next day after I do it. Give her a week and shorty calling me a loser. I think I'm Ferris Bueller, skipping class and popping out how I maneuver. Bitch, I think I'm Ferris Bueller, cutting class and popping out how I maneuver. How he maneuver. Boy, they got no morals no more, boy, they like defending whatever. So if it's smoke, you gotta smoke me, don't be sending me letters. Come on, since you've been gone, they gon' pretend it's whatever. No more vacation, just extortion, you get pressed for your cheddar. Been through so much, now you don't need introductions. I'm on some grimy shit, like what that mean? That mean I'm 30 deep in the function. I just want dinner in Dallas. I just want dinner in Dallas. I just want dinner in Dallas. Let's go, let's go. I just want dinner in Dallas. I just want dinner in Dallas. My homie Walter died, he told me that's his favorite place. So I think about that boy when I'm blazing the 8th. And it ain't hard to find me, baby, I go straight to the bank. And if I pop out in your city, I won't make a mistake. Dallas, I just want dinner in Dallas. 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 Dinner in Dallas. All I ever wanted. That was all I ever wanted. That was all I ever needed. I need dinner in Dallas. Yeah, let's go. I never fumbled a bad bitch, I was looking out for her future. Free bands in my bank account, now I'm starting to feel like Future. I already know what's gonna happen the next day after I do it. Give her a week and shorty calling me a loser. I think I'm Ferris Bueller, skipping class and popping out how I maneuver. Bitch, I think I'm Ferris Bueller, cutting class and popping out how I maneuver. How he maneuver. Boy, they got no morals no more, boy, they like defending whatever. So if it's smoke, you gotta